In August, Bendigo and Adelaide Bank asked Deloitte to investigate some suspicious activity, probably money laundering, at one of its branches. Well, Deloitte has now come back and said that, well, actually, it's not just one branch, but the whole bank. There are deficiencies in dealing with money laundering and terrorism financing everywhere. The director said today they're very disappointed. And no doubt all the banks are frowning over their specs towards Bendigo, reeling as they are from a 10% correction this month, led by a 15% drop in Commonwealth Bank's share price. Sentiment turned sour after the Reserve Bank left rates on hold on November the 5th and got worse as the reporting season revealed cost pressures all over. Speaking of which, Bendigo and Adelaide concluded today's statement by saying that final outcomes, including costs, are unknown, which is what's known as a red flag. The US market had a second day of strong gains, led by the usual hot stocks like Broadcom, Tesla and Alphabet. But the event that took the value of all global shares back to 120% of world GDP, double what it was 20 years ago, was the release of ChatGPT by OpenAI in November 2022. And that in turn sparked a frenzy of spending on computer chips and data centres by the digital giants, now known as hyperscalers: Amazon, Meta, Alphabet, Microsoft and Oracle. Are they spending too much? Well, that is the trillion-dollar question. Oh, and the Aussie dollar remained stuck fast today at around 64.5 US cents, and gold and Bitcoin jumped because expectations of a US rate cut next month were boosted by a speech from one of the Federal Reserve governors. And that's finance.